Okay, this is a videotaped observation of a class at the CUNY Language Immersion Program at Queensborough Community College. I'm the instructor. My name is ZKelly. And I want to start by showing the board work. So, although it's reversed, of course, the center of the board here is the day's agenda. The top of the board says the date. Next it reads grammar review, comparative, superlative, equative, and parallelism, or parallel structure. So last week, these are the grammar topics we practiced, and so we started this morning with an exercise to review those grammar topics. Okay. Item 2 says academic lecture, internet usage, and then it says journal writing. So right now the students are attending a lecture on the campus put on by the Counseling Center, and the topic is internet usage, benefits, challenges, safety, and addiction. All right? So my hope is they'll get some interesting ideas from the lecture that will be, useful information for their college career. When they come back, they're going to be writing in their journal, describing something they found significant from the lecture, and explaining its significance by making a connection. The next item on the board, it says making connections, providing support, continued. Okay, so this is some part of an ongoing lesson, really trying to stress the importance of bringing in experience from the students' lives to support their claims. Next it says CATW skill practice, model analysis, summarize, brainstorm, support. So we're going to move from this making connections to the lecture they had today. We're going to move from that into some CATW skill practice, including looking at some model CATWs and applying their knowledge to the test that they have in a couple weeks. The next item on the agenda says essay editing. So I'm going to return essays that they did last week, draft 2. They will edit those and print out their final draft in the lab today. So this part is lab, and they have instructions to edit and print their returned essays. Finally, their homework for tonight is reading a chapter in our textbook. Okay. All right. So if I can move over to here, this section of the board is their assignment for their journal writing. It says choose one significant idea from today's lecture. First, explain the idea. Don't forget to cite your source. Next, explain why you think this idea is significant. Explain by making a connection. So I'm going to elicit from the students a review of these ideas, text to text, text to self, text to world, and these different areas they might connect to: society, health, education, economic, political, psychological. Okay, the final part of the board work is over here. There are 5 sentences based on the grammar exercise that we started class with. The students are going to copy these in their notebooks, and we're going to focus on basically the structure. We're going to use these as templates for using the phrases according to the author stated that, the article explained that, and the article is about. Okay, so of course each of these have unique grammar rules that follow. According to the article, comma, we need a subject and a verb. The author stated that, plus subject and verb. The article is about, plus noun phrase. So there have been a lot of recurring errors in this department, so we're going to start with this as a way to self-correct and reinforce useful language for their essay writing. Okay. Here's the class setup. so pretty conventional row format. I did push the unused desks to the back, so the students are all kind of up front and more involved. And that's about it.